Hi everyone. So I wanted to share with you real quick this awesome IT band stretch that I just learned, and it's one of those things that you do, or at least I did, and I thought, where has this been all my life? So I want to share it because when we have something good, it's nice to share with others, okay? So the only caveat is you need 2 blocks to do it, okay? Because you need that space off the floor. So our AT band, it's a connective tissue that attaches from our hip, runs on the outside of our thigh, wraps around and attaches to our tibia. And then from there, it attaches, there's a muscle it attaches to, and then it attaches to connective tissue that goes under our foot. So this is important, and I'll show you why in just a second, okay? So how you do it is we're gonna come to tabletop, okay? Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And then you can bring your right hand behind you, step your right foot up if you want. And then we're gonna come into half monkey or Ardha Hanuman, okay? There's where your blocks come in. So adjust yourself, make sure you're comfortable here. If you need to walk down your back leg, you can. And then from here, what we're gonna do, this is where the magic happens. We're gonna start to, first you gotta pull your heel back half an inch. I forgot that part, very important. Pull it back just like half an inch. And then you roll onto your pinky toe side as you bring your blocks to the outside of your extended leg, okay? Now, the reason I explained where that all is connected is because to get the most out of this, you've got to flex your toes, okay? Because remember, you've got that connective tissue that wraps under your foot. You got to point your toes to your shin and just enjoy the goodness here. Try to keep your pinky toe down. If it doesn't go down, that's okay. Sometimes it's too tight and you can't get it down. Anyway, this is great if you're a runner, because just from the repetitive use, your IT band, that whole area can get stretched out. If you sit a lot, walk on your feet a lot. So, all right, try it. Let me know what you guys think, okay, if you love it as much as I do. Bye.